I'm a creep. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was better, so she bought a bit of better butter. Now we're getting there. Yes, we're getting there. Tuesday, October 13. Bad hair day, but you didn't come here to see my hair. The market is down today. Really down. Not that much. Let's look at the market at lunchtime. Dow Jones minus 84. Right off the spot, I've made $746.25 in 27 minutes this morning. Let's look at how I made that deal. That show here is not a quick get rich. Okay, it's to look at opportunities that the market arise. I'm like a blackjack player waiting for two aces to show up. It may not occur in the morning, depending on how many stocks I look. I mostly trade on the US because I can have real time with TradingView. But the goal is to just make $500 per morning working 1 hour per day. And the goal is not to lose more than $500 per day as well. So if shit hit the fan, I just leave. So this morning, $747. I thought I would not make it because it's a down market. And let's look exactly how that went and with which stock. The trend, what is the trend? The trend is an indicator is how much people are selling. So based on the NASDAQ, that one. So how is it going? It's above 1, that means people are selling like crazy. So 65, 64, it's quiet. I looked at DraftKings this morning. This is one of the stock I like day trading. Day trade. Coca-Cola, I thought it would have been a good one. American Airlines, I look at that one too. Ford was a potential. Ford. But how did I made my money this morning? MDF Commerce just arrived on the one day. I'm by the minute now. 6 months. So MDF is media griff as a nice push today as well. Amazon, of course, I'm not day trading Amazon. It's way too expensive for day trading, but it's going well. Of course, it is Amazon Prime Day today. Apple will hear the news in couple of this afternoon. So if you watch the show at 12:30, that means within half an hour we'll see exactly. So that has been recorded at 12. Apple, we'll see. I think the market will bring Apple down this afternoon. That's my pure guess. Simply because they only announced 5G. Nothing exciting, especially for Montrealer, that it's only one corner and not all the province are covered with 5G. If you do day trading, especially in the province of Quebec or in Canada, okay, it is not the way it's calculated. It's a revenue, enterprise revenue. So you'll be charged like if you are getting revenue. But hey, instead of capital gain, who cares? Money, profit is a profit. Okay. Okay. So let's look at. I wanted to get in at American Airlines one day. American Airlines has a nice push. I don't like usually trading those stocks because they have been battered for a good reason. There's no market. But if you look, this is the VWAP. So it's trading always. This is just instead of me teaching you, just go on Google and look at the VWAP. I'm using the RSI, the CMF, Chainline Money Flow, and the MACD. It will be very long, within 10-15 minutes, to explain those one, but I'm using all those 4 indicators. In fact, if we look at that indicator plus that indicator, but this one, the Chainline, it's going down. So that means the money doesn't flow into it. It's coming back now. So it's not a good opportunity right now. Coca-Cola. Coke has been in an uptrend in the last couple of days. And if we see here, Coke is a typical stock that you buy when the RSI is below 30 and you sell when the RSI is above 70. Look at the price here. We're 50.16 and here 50.41. That would have made 25 cents, $250 within how many time? How long? 10:53. Yeah, within an hour. It's not bad. Ford. Interesting. It should go up. The price is way too low. Not way too low, but at least a couple of cents too low. Not interesting. Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth should be much higher based on the trend they had in a couple of last days, which is in the marijuana, of course. If people, there's nothing right now. It should be much more higher. So is it an opportunity? Not right now. It should. In fact, this should be at. This is oversold. This is very low. The trend, there's no trend on the money. So there's as many buyers as many sellers. The MACD has crossed the line. So that should be, as of noon, let's see in the afternoon, 1824 should be entry point. You should get in there, get out at within 50 cents. But the winner today, and I never thought I would win on that one, DraftKings. I got in at 10:01. Exactly 10:01. Here. Why did I got in there? I paid 50.11. Right there. Why? Because it was trailing below here. First indicator that, especially here, I should have gotten much more earlier, but I've decided to get in there. It was on the uptrend, not at the low, not at the high, going up. If you see here, the RSI goes up. The money was flowing. There's a trend here. It's moving up. The MACD crossed the line. So it was time to get in. I got in at 10:01 at 50.11. 10:28. Was I lucky? Maybe. It's part of the deal of being sometime lucky in the stock market. I got out exactly here at 50.86. Right here, 50.86. That I've made 75 cents times 995 shares, and the profit was $746. Bingo, my day is over within 20 minutes. Of course, I was looking for half an hour. I was looking for an opportunity to arrive. And that's exactly what you should expect when you come here. I may not be able to trade. I should look into at least 10 stock, different stock, to be able to make that trade, but that's exactly what I was waiting. And I've sold. It went back down again. And this type of deal, you can do it on a regular, several times during the day. Look at here, there was an opportunity here, right here. Again, here at 10:51. Goes up to 51. Another dollar. But now it is dangerous because the VWAP says it's so overbought. RSI says it's overbought. The money flow is going into the right direction. So I would not buy it now. Not at that price. Not at that price. Disney, I own shares of Disney. In fact, I may sold this afternoon Disney. I paid $125. I'm $130. That's okay. That's okay, like Wim Hof says. That's okay. So you see right now it's trending up. It's normal because they announced major reorg last night. One of the stock that is on the news today, and that's the one affecting the most the market right now, Johnson & Johnson has decided to just stop the vaccine, trial on the vaccine. So that makes sense. That's it. Yep. $747 within 27 minutes. My day is over. I can just continue with the rest of my activities. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.